Okay, so I went to Lowe's today, the one in Delaware, because it's tax-free, and I got a handheld blower. So I'm gonna do an open it up and a cold start. Well, new start. Let me just say it's all down. Try to open this box up. Warner. It's a 125B handheld blower. I've been really liking Husqvarna's product lately, so I should use it. Comes with oil. I love this two-stroke oil. It's probably the best stuff. And nut and stuff. And, you know, just instructions, whatever you want to call it. All that good stuff. Warranty info. Which, you know, I probably will fill that out down the road. But let's assemble this bad boy. Okay, it's simple. I just love Husqvarna's product. What side goes in there? So this side, I'm sure. This side goes into there like that. Then you gotta open up your hardware. Up to the side here. Okay. There's there's a little nut right there in the plastic thing. And let's see, it goes in, this goes in this side. That nut goes in, there's like, it locks in one side like that. As you can see, like that, and it will twist down tightly. There we go. See, look, and it locks in there, the grooves. And it'll suck it in and lock it up tight. Like that. You don't want to over tighten it because it's plastic. Then we will put the second tube on. And sorry for the shake of the cameraman here. It'll just go in like that, and you can lock it on either or, I guess. So you can use either tubes, I guess, too. So, but that's good. Now I don't have to buy two-stroke oil. That's a $135 bottle two-stroke oil. Nah, just kidding. So it's not a shredder vac. Not a big fan of them. So there it is. I'm gonna put some fuel in this thing, and we can go cold start it. Oh, okay, not much throttle to it. That's alright. It's just a backup blower. Huh. Sorry, I don't like those things. Put fuel in this. Let's shake. I hate this gas can, but that's not what the video is. Not gonna put too much in it. Don't need to. There we go. I don't like the smell of high 93 gas. I don't use I always get premium. Let's prime it. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A few extra primes. Choke. Where's the choke lever? Oh, there it is. That's choke, I assume, and that's... Okay. let's go down here. My redneck lawn decoration. Snowplow. That's cool. Whatever. Alright, set this up there. I'm gonna stand over here and start it up. Okay, so I had the choke lever. It seemed backwards, but I guess that's how it goes. So, since it is brand new, and it is cold, I'm sure, it's never been used, I'm going to let it warm up for a minute or so. Then we'll see how powerful this thing is. So, I mean, it's only, you know, I didn't realize the choke. It's pretty confusing. That's the choke, not choke. That's the choke, I guess. That's not good. This is full choke, I can't do it. That's enough. You can see the throttle and it goes up through here. That's weird. See if you can see anything if I go like that. Yeah. So, it's a long video. I don't know if you saw anything, but it's pretty powerful. It's really lightweight. Literally, I mean, weighs probably 8-10 pounds. I'd say 10 being high. So, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think of it. It's a thumbs up if you like it. So, thanks, guys.